I have a Frigidaire unit, model number FGF379WECS, and our display is very dim. So today I'm going to show you how to remove the control board unit, to replace it, or to send it in for repair. So just to show you up close, we do have 1242 displayed on the screen, but of course it's very dim. The first thing we always want to do when dealing with these units is unplugging them before we do anything else. And now we're going to take a look at the back. For this unit we have 6 screws. So I do have one more screw right here, but it is not very tight, so it just fell out. You do want to be very careful. This metal is very sharp. It is sheet metal. Now we have exposed our control board unit right over here, but before we get to it, let's remove a couple other items. On the top of the unit here, I have 2 screws. This should just lift right off. And I'm supposed to have 5 more screws here, but it looks like I have one missing. So we only have 4 on this unit. Now at this point we're taking another look at the front, and we're going to wiggle this little button out just like that, and our glass panel should lift off. There we go. We want to be careful with this piece. And we've now exposed our control board in the front. Now looking at the back of the unit again, we can go ahead and disconnect some of our cables. So this one just wiggles out. Some of these you can go ahead and wiggle out and they will come out. But if any of these do give you a hard time, what you may have to do is, with a little poking tool like this, poke the center of the connector, and then you can more easily wiggle it out. There's a little hole inside of this connector that you can push out this tab that sometimes will lock it in. But usually wiggling out the cables is easy enough. Okay, we're almost there. This is our last step. We're going to go ahead and remove these 4 screws. And for this last one, I'll make sure to hold the unit, and it'll just fall forward just like that. And we now have it free and clear. If you want to check out our full in-depth repair video on how we fix this dim display issue, check out this video next. Otherwise, if you like the content, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.